Hey guys, this is my nice little Winchester half hatchet. I'll be showing you a couple things needed. A little leather working toolkit right here. You'll need a hammer, as I'll be using my half hatchet. That's my tripod, Sharpie, and some leather. So in this video I won't go through every step I'm doing, but for now I'm just tracing out a pattern, and I usually grab a piece of paper and draw one on there. That way I just make a template so both sides are pretty symmetrical, but I'm just eyeballing this one. Anything's better than nothing, just to keep you and the family safe. I'm just doing a rough design and getting a rough idea what I want to do, and then I'll change up the number of buttons I'm using and whatnot. But this is pretty much how it looked at the end also. But yeah, one of the good quotes is quality has no fear in time. And I do these really quick, so that just shows the quality. But also they're rugged and they work. They're just not definitely not an art piece. But it's better than having a sharp object right around. Now I won't be boring you guys and talking through this whole video. You can just visually see how I make a leather sheath for my axes, hatchets, half hatchets, and probably more. I was never really into doing this, but one time I bought a nice hatchet and it was so sharp I just had to figure out something and keep everyone safe, long story short. So I just put one on there, and it wasn't the prettiest, but it worked. And these are actually just leather scraps, and those were those little templates I was telling you about in my hand right there. But yeah, that's the little leather tool working bag. And I'm missing some accessories. My buttons I'm using are kind of the wrong size, but they do work. One thing I have to mention though is when you're doing this, always think ahead, because if you ever do something backwards or wrong, it's really hard to undo those little rivets and buttons. So just take your time and you'll be better as you go also. Alright, so before I let you guys go and have you enjoy this video, I just want to say, yeah, it ain't perfect, but it's gonna work. But also, yeah, it is what it is. It's pretty simple. There's been times I've done these in like a half hour just to toss one on, and somebody's watching me and they're like all amazed and whatnot. But yeah, I get these little leather scraps from like antique stores for cheap, so you can take note of that. Hopefully that can help you out. Thicker leather is better. But yeah, and then just support by subscribing, and I can keep posting cool videos of custom stuff, motorcycle stuff, and anything in between. Appreciate you guys. Enjoy. Alright, so one thing I want to mention is with some of these buttons and rivets and whatnot, they have a different base. Like this one is circular, so it fits on the round part of the head of this rivet or whatever you call it. Even the bases or whatever the frick. I have no clue what I'm doing or what these things are called. Feel free to correct me in the comments. Be happy to hear from you. I put my knowledge towards the tool restoration more than leather work. So anyways, this particular kit comes with like 3 different punch tools and 3 different platforms. Some are like flat because some rivets are flat, or some have like an indent, like for a rounded button or whatever. So yeah, this is a really good kit, but um yeah, you can probably find similar ones. So that's another cool thing that can help you out in the future. The particular buttons I'm using, the female end one, when you punch it, it flares out a piece of metal inside, so that's how it mechanically holds itself together. Pretty cool, eh? Alright, so this is the third punch I'm using. This one kind of flares out half of the button you're using.